Guys, we are going to make the keto stroganoff, green bean stroganoff. Keto green bean stroganoff. So you're supposed to have 2 pounds of hamburger, but I'm 2.5ing this recipe so I can meal prep and put some in the freezer. Last time I made it, it freezes very nicely. So you're going to need 2 cans of green beans per 2 pounds. And of course I have Kiki always in the kitchen, this time looking for hamburger scraps. I have my hamburger, I added my green beans, so you should have 2 pounds of hamburger, 2 cans. We're going to have 1 cup of heavy cream, but remember, mine may look a little bit different because I'm 2.5ing the recipe. So, if you're like, oh my god, that looks like so much more than 2 cans of green beans, you would be right. I also try to use all my heavy cream at once so I don't have an open container. So usually when I meal prep, I prep a lot of stuff at once. Alright. Okay, guys, we added a cup of our cheese. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 1/4 of pepper. But you know me, I like my pepper. It also calls for 1/4 of salt and garlic powder. But I don't really use salt too often. We're more of a pepper household. Alright guys, after you give it a nice good stir, it's kind of like a creamy green bean hamburger. Some little cheese and seasoning. It's very yummy and keto friendly. Thank you. Peace.